assembly. We thought we would let you know a bit about what the middle school have been up to for the last little while. There have been some exciting things happening, some of them you wouldn't even believe.
Last week was our Year 4 camp. We did a lot of fun activities on Rakatoto as well as back at school, including sleeping in tents on the school field. We thought we'd share some of our highlights with you, so we made this slideshow.
One of the things we discovered at Rakatoto is a secret doorway into the Amazon rainforest. That's in South America, in case you didn't know. It was such a coincidence because we are learning about the Amazon for RBL this term. We all wrote some descriptive stories about what we saw, and some of us are going to share these now.
My name is Sophie and this is Maestro. The trees were twirling along the path like they were running a race. The leaves were big blobs of green paint in the Amazon rainforest. The twigs crackled with the wind. The bark was chocolate buttons. Trees were like huge baby giants. The river shone like a crystal ball glowing in the night sky. The waterfalls spilled all over it. Their blue was as bright as the beautiful sky. Raindrops filled it up like the river is a huge cup of water. It flows like a feather floating down to the ground. It jumps all over the place as it swims along the rainforest floor. The plants grow as if they were people getting watered. Some plants are spiky like spears and swords. There is green and dark green paint spilling over the whole rainforest. The jaguar was so fast it pounced on its prey quickly. It looked like a huge cat with orange and black spots. It pounced like it was going to be hit by a car.
My name is Ben and this is my story. There were lots of flowing rivers swimming around and around in the rainforest. The waterfalls dove into the water. The water caves were giant like an enormous tree. The grass was lying on the ground looking at clouds different shapes. Mushrooms sat on the grass looking at the trees. An enormous rock was like a seat. Trees danced to the cicadas' music. Their branches dragged their leaves. Their sap was as sticky as glue. The toucan was like a giant feather. Its beak was as hard and pointy like a sword. The toucan's feathers are as colourful as a rainbow.
My name is Elis and I'm going to read part of the story. It was the best time of my life. It was so amazing. It was so beautiful. You should have seen it. The waterfall was lovely. I'd never seen something so nice in my whole entire life. I was in the rainforest. The river was swimming down the waterfall. It was splashing down a hole. The trees were like flagpoles fluttering in the wind. They were chocolate bars with plenty leaves. There were lots of insects in the rainforest trees. The spiky flats climbed were like a triple sword. They were porcupines.
My name is Ben and I'm going to read Riley's story. The river was so loud. It sounded like it was screaming and you could not hear yourself. It was a bit wonky. It was curving and twisting through the rainforest floor. The trees were standing as still as statues with one foot on the muddy ground. They were not making a single sound or movement. They looked like chocolate fingers as tall as skyscrapers. The mud was sticky like jelly beans. It was brown like chocolate. The jaguar was moving slowly through the mud.
We have also been busy this week creating a dance about the different animals we saw in the Amazon rainforest. Watch and you will see what animals we are trying to be like.
place. I'll replace baby girl with the next child. I never gave up on you, you never gave up on me. But the time turned tricks and did no favors to we. Time and tide trying to blind our eyes, but they'll never catch us cause we acclimatized. No, our demise is not finalized cause the sign is not. I feel the time is right. So they say everything's gonna be alright now. But how do you really know? And I know everything's gonna be alright now. Cause that's the seed I sow. And the universe told me that's how I think I know. So they say everything's gonna be alright now. And that's how I know. Boy, they love with the birds and bees. I got nothing but hugs with the herbs and trees. Somebody told me everything is gonna be copacetic if you let it be. Kinetic energy's ready to be unstoppable, unbeatable, undefinable, like sunshine. I'm cool. Even to the future as all the signs say don't stop it again. You'll be fine. So when I tell you everything, you will get the vibe. I know cause the universe told me I. So they say everything's gonna be alright now. But how do you really know? And I know everything's gonna be alright now. Cause that's the seed I sow. And the universe told me that's how I think I know. So they say everything's gonna be alright now. And that's how I know.
Frustrated with the sound of my voice because I'm a Kiwi, trying to make it rapping internationally. So I sang for you. She was the girl in the picture, the one that you always wanted. And then she hit on you, you were sitting with her, and then she made you feel so low. But you gave her love, conditional love, and then she made you feel yo-yo. Yeah, you wanted to stay slightly hard, sing about it at the show.
Well, that wraps up our assembly. Remember that writers, actors and dancers are all creative storytellers. We sure hope you have been entertained and inspired in your creative way this morning.